In this video, you will learn how you can change your browser's background. So for that, you need to open your browser. Then click on the pencil icon here. From here, you can choose some pictures. And from here, you need to upload that image. I'll also show you by uploading an image. From here, I selected this image. And as you can see, this image has been added to the background. If you found this video informative, like the video and share it with 3 of your friends. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.